Hello, lovelies. So welcome to my channel. This is Truth Be Told with Tara. Today is a good day. I'm starting a new job. The other job got a little not so great, and I feel like going into this new job, I'm going to be much healthier. I'll be around healthier things. I'll explain to you more about that later. Um, but I'm just so thrilled to be getting out of where I was and into this new, I don't know, it's a new chapter. So, but today I have Chic Beauty Box, and before I go to my new job, I thought that I would share what I got in my Chic Beauty Box. So let's unbox this. And first thing we have is Stella Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. We'll look at it. Oh, that's pretty. I think I actually already have this. So I'll probably just put this back in the box and give it to somebody. I would really like to start doing giveaways again. But I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully with this new job, and that's what I'm really like hoping for, is to have the time and not be so wound up like I was at the other place. So I'm hoping I can get back into this like I used to be. But anyway, okay. Next thing is Javisi. And this is retro liner. This is something else that I already have. And you know what, chick? Like, come on. Do better. Like, we had one set of picks, like when it was the Charlotte Tilbury and Haas, like I jumped back in, and now it's like they had to redo the picks because everybody complained about them, but these are not really much better. This is almost a $50 box, which, yeah, it's only, it's every 2 months, but like, this is just not worth it to me. So next is another, it's Clarins, but I love Clarins, but it's lip oil, like, and I will never wear that. No way. Too red. I'm just not that into red. I'm just not that into red. And y'all know that. So that's going back in the box. Okay, so we have two things left. Yeah, like I'm pretty let down. I knew when I did my picks, it was like, and they redid it, like, and this was what you came up with. Yeah, I don't know. So this is Almay Healthy Hue Blush. My kitty's going to jump over here, so hey, kitty. She loves my boxes. Okay, so that is, I mean, that doesn't look like a blush. That looks like a bronzer. Maybe it is. I don't know. I'll have to check it out. But I mean, it doesn't look bad. Ooh, another Clarins. Okay. I have been really wanting to try Clarins makeup. I love the skincare. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. Little velvet bag. That's cool. Ooh, and it gives you, oh, I love that. Oh, I love Clarins stuff so much. Like, wow. This is so nice. Oh my gosh, and I love these colors. Oh my gosh, those are so my colors. I love them. Okay, so I went from being a little agitated to like, oh my god, yay. Um, oh, I cannot wait to use this. So, Clarins is moving up, man. Like, I'd been seeing where they had like all I knew was the skincare. And then it was like, oh my gosh, they have makeup too. So I'd been interested in looking at it, but I just really haven't had the time or the, I don't know, want to, because things have just been so crazy. But I am too excited about trying that. And I love that they send, like, I love when they send the little things like this. And because, like I've told you guys 100,000 times, I am not a makeup artist. I can barely do my makeup. And whenever they send little things like this, like, it helps guide you, especially if you really don't know what you're doing, like me. So yeah, I am super excited to try that Clarins. Like, I wasn't real happy with the lip oil. Now I have another lip oil that I got from Clarins whenever I ordered some skincare stuff, and it was just a regular lip oil, and it was great. But like, that red is too red, so somebody else will enjoy that. Somebody who loves red. I think that I look like a clown whenever I put on red lipstick. I don't know what it is. A lot of people can pull it off. I can't. I don't know if it's my eye color. I know it's not my hair, because most blondes can like put red lipstick on and it look good. So I don't know if it's my eye color, I don't know. My cat is hollering. If you hear something odd, it's her. All right, so that's gonna be it for this. So Chick, like, some of that stuff was a little like, I've got in other boxes 100 times. So, but you come through with the Clarins, and I don't know, we'll see about the Almay. Like, that does look nice. Again, it doesn't look like a blush to me. It looks like a bronzer, but it is really, really pretty. So next video, I'll be wearing the Clarins. I'm going to try it. I'm going to let you guys know what I think about it. And I am off to my new job. So you guys wish me luck, and I love you. Like, subscribe, comment, do all the things. And I'm going to shut up now, and I'll see you in the next.